We are back. So here comes the part 2 of the video we started. So this is the soap. This is the next day. This is about 10 hours or thereabout. Wow, look at how strong, how beautiful this soap is. Can you see? See now, see soap now. This soap fine girl. See how beautiful and shiny the soap is. And I didn't add silicate or anything. You saw me produce the soap now. Can you see? Okay, let's cut the soap with a beautiful mini foldable cutter. Can you see this cutter? This cutter is small but mighty. Very beautiful and mighty cutter. Just see, this cutter comes, it can cut 3 different sizes. Just go. You cut the first cavity. The first cavity is actually the length. So we'll cut it. It's not hard at all. Very easy. Just pull. Very pull. Then anybody, even a 6-year-old can use this cutter. Can you see? See how smooth. See how soap smooth. Fine. Can you see? I call this cutter starter cutter for those that are just starting out and may not want to produce so much so that they don't spoil and waste their money. You can start with this cutter. This cutter takes just about, you can cut 3 sizes like I said before. It is about 5 liters of butter. And if you be buying this cutter, you can just use this recipe. It will fill your bowl. 5 liters of butter, both oil and water, depending on the formulation you're using. If I was to use my semi-hot method here, I would have used maybe less than 2 liters of oil. The mold will full. It cuts very easily and neatly and beautifully. Can you see? Equally, no one size bigger than the other one. Oh. Equal size, neatly, evenly, beautifully. No corner. Did you see corner? Oh yeah, tell me one thing that you like about this cutter. Just one. Just mention one thing you like. I know you like the cutter. Tell me one thing you like about the cutter. I'll be. This one cuts very beautifully. So it cuts the big size, the medium size, and then small size. So this, if you're using the medium size to cut, it will give you 6 bars. So if I wanted to cut all of them with the medium size, I would have gotten 18 bars. So this one now is the big size. This one is bigger. This one will give me 5 bars. So if I wanted to use just this one to cut the whole soap, it will have given me 15 bars. So just watch me. And in case you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Glomajos. If you didn't watch the first part where I produced the soap, just go back and watch it's just the last video that I uploaded. How to make cold process soap very easily. You see it there. So this is 5. If I was to use this cutter to cut all the soap, it will give me 15 bars in all. So I will now cut the last one with the last cavity. So see now, this size is much smaller. Can you see? So it can give you 3 sizes. You can cut 3 sizes from this cutter. Then we are cutting the small size. Like I said, my name is Glomajos. If this is your first time here, I say thank you so much for stopping by. Please ensure you hit the subscribe button and also like and share this video so that YouTube shows it to more people, and also share to your friends that you know they've been looking for where to buy cutter. They've been looking for how to cut their soap to make their soap very beautiful and commercially market ready. Please send this video to them so that they can buy this cutter. You know what? And with Glomajos, you just buy and just order and go to sleep. I will deliver to you anywhere. We can deliver to you either in Ghana, either in Nigeria, either in Benin, either in Togo. We have delivered to all, even in Cameroon, we have delivered to all these places. We are trusted and tested. You don't need to be afraid. Like, look at the off-cut, very little off-cut, very, very small. So this small size gave me 9 bars. 9 bars. So if I was trying to cut all the bars with that small one, I would have gotten 27 bars. So if you're using the big size, you get 15 bars. If you're using the medium size, you get 18 bars. See how strong it is. If you're using the small bars, you get 27 bars. See now, see the 3 sizes, different sizes. I can even cut a much more smaller size, but I will show you that. Okay, let me show you how to cut even a much more smaller size, depending on how much you want to sell. So okay, see, can you see this now? This one is even smaller. So it's not even cutting 3 sizes, it's cutting 4 sizes for us, and a smaller one that you can sell for maybe 100 naira. Also, I don't know how much will you sell this soap in your area? Oh yeah, let's talk. How much is this soap? This small soap, how much will you sell it in your area? You know, soaps are not very cheap now, but how much will you sell it? Let's talk. You can leave it in the comment. Let's see. As of today, how much will you sell this soap in your area? So see how beautiful this soap is. This cutter is cutting very, very beautifully. So please, I'm begging you, if this is your first time on my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and share my videos so that YouTube shows it to more people. I appreciate you for stopping by. You can also check around my channel. You see very, very, very amazing videos that you'll be glad you watch. So here comes our beautiful cutter. Can you see? Small but mighty. The thing is small. It's small but it's very mighty. It cuts very beautifully. You can use this as a starter. You understand? Instead of using your knife to cut your soap that you'll be getting on even bars, you can use this to start. It's very affordable. As at today is the 2nd day of July 2026. This cutter and mold goes for 35,000 naira. So you see, it's very, very affordable still. Very, very affordable. If it is in Ghana cedis, it's 350 Ghana cedis. It also comes with a groove attached. See me grooving my soap with the cutter. I also have a trimmer in case you want to buy a trimmer. As of today, the 2nd of July 2026, the trimmer is 5,000 naira. So if you want this cutter mold and a trimmer, you get it for 40,000. We also sell stamps, both acrylic stamps and metal stamps that will last, that are very durable. So whichever one you want, just let us know. I'll get you sorted. Everything you need. See now, see how beautifully it grooves. Can you see? Everything you need to start and scale your soap business, will sell them. Everything, every tool, from your digital scale to your cups, whatever thing, think of it, we sell all of them. Can you see? See now, see beautiful. Yeah, very beautiful. Can you see? So see now, very beautiful. Are you liking it? Have you liked this video? I like the video now. Like now, like it now, like it. It's very beautiful. Very, very, see now, see. That is even 4 sizes, not even 3 sizes. And it's even a smaller one. That's even another size. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've subscribed to my channel. Hope you've liked it.
Hi, Glomajos. Good afternoon. Please, here is your customer from Ghana, Madam Deladelle stamp you did for me. Here is my cutter. I have to use it. And here is the first cavity that I used to cut my bar. And here is the second cavity. That's why I've arranged the soap. So each cavity and its shape that it gave me and its measurement it gave me. So here's the second cavity, third cavity, fourth cavity. So here is my soap. See the color. I changed it. I did 2 colors, right? And my liquid soap also, I'm working towards it so that I will show it. So here is the liquid soap that I did. I doubled the measurement because I do in big batches, so I doubled the measurement in order to serve my customers. Yes. Thank you very much. See how the bubbles are really moving. See them. Maybe add water. Thank you very much.